Angela with Freestyle Fashionista, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY jean vest. The materials you are going to need is a denim jacket of your choice. I picked this up at a thrift store. You might have one in the back of your closet. If you do, pull it to the front of your closet and put it on the craft table. And then a pair of fabric scissors. I've already pre-cut this sleeve off, and now I'm going to show you how to cut this sleeve off. You want to cut right outside the hem and just follow that all the way from the top of the armpit to the bottom. And then obviously once you cut this into a vest, if you want to add some studs or add some like shredding into it, you can. Or you can just leave it plain and throw it over a tank top. That always looks cute. And if you cut outside the seam like this, it won't fray when you wash it. So it'll keep the structure. All right. And that is the final look. That is how you make a DIY jean vest. I'm Angela from Freestyle Fashionista. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.